how to change the appearance of OBS Studio. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your OBS Studio, head over to settings on the right hand side, and then you can see appearance option on the left. Tap on it. Now here you can change the theme if you want to. You can change the style, and you can even change the font size by increasing or decreasing it. Similarly, you can change the density by tapping on classic, compact, normal, or comfortable. Now you can keep on changing the themes till you like it. So there you go. You can just hit apply. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.